In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to handle returns and refunds on Shopee in the Philippines. This process can seem daunting at first, but with the right guidance, you'll find it's actually quite straightforward. Let's dive into the steps to ensure you can navigate this process with ease. First up, you'll want to start by visiting the Shopee Philippines website. This is where everything starts. Once the page loads, look for the login button, which is usually found at the top right corner of the home page. Clicking this will prompt you for your login details. Since Shopee offers a variety of login methods, you can choose the one that suits you best. For this example, we'll proceed by clicking on Google as the login method, which is a convenient option for those who prefer to link their Shopee account with their Google account. After clicking on Google, you'll see a list of Google accounts. Click on the account you wish to use for Shopee. This will lead you to a Continue button, which when clicked grants you access to your Shopee account and completes the login process. Now that you're logged in, it's time to locate your recent purchases. To do this, navigate to My Purchase, which you'll find on the top right section of the page. This part of Shopee stores a record of all your transactions, making it easier to find the specific purchase you're concerned with. Once you're in the My Purchases section, the next step is to initiate the return or refund process. Look for the Request for Return Refund option. This is a critical step as it officially starts your request for either returning a product you're not satisfied with or getting a refund for it. Shopee's interface is user-friendly, so you should find this option relatively quickly. After clicking on Request for Return Refund, you'll be prompted to choose the most appropriate option for your situation. This could vary depending on whether the item is damaged, incorrect, or not what you expected. It's crucial to select the option that best describes your reason for the return or refund to ensure a smooth process. Next, Shopee will ask you to select reason from a drop-down menu. This step allows you to communicate the specifics of why you're initiating this request. It's part of Shopee's effort to understand your concern better and address it appropriately. Then you'll notice a field where you can type in more details in the description section. This is your opportunity to provide a comprehensive explanation of the issue. Being detailed here helps the seller and Shopee understand your situation better, potentially speeding up the resolution process. Finally, after you've filled in all the necessary information and you're confident that everything is in order, it's time to click Submit. This action sends your return or refund request to the seller for review. Remember, clear communication and accurate information can significantly influence how quickly and smoothly the process goes. Navigating Shopee's return and refund process is all about understanding the steps involved and providing accurate information at each stage. We've walked through everything from logging in to submitting your request. Remember, the key to a hassle-free experience is attention to detail and patience as you wait for your request to be processed. Whether you're dealing with a refund or returning a product, Shopee has made it simple for its users to ensure customer satisfaction. And that wraps up our brief guide on handling returns and refunds on Shopee. We hope this gives you the confidence to manage such situations with ease should they arise. Remember, shopping online comes with many conveniences, and having a clear process for returns and refunds is part of ensuring a positive shopping experience. Happy shopping!